In today's video, I'm going to teach you what Zapier Tables is. Think of Zapier Tables as a no-code database designed to store, update, and track your data automatically. It connects to over 8,000 apps, so you can automate the busy work like notifications, data entry, or AI tasks without writing a single line of code. Inside a table, you can create records, update them as things change, and even trigger alerts as your data is updated. To put it to work, you'll build a Zap, which is an automation made of a trigger and one or more actions. First, choose a trigger, the event that kicks everything off. If you want the workflow to start whenever a new entry lands in your table, use New Record. If you only care about changes to existing rows, choose Updated Record. Need coverage for both? New or updated record handles either case. And when you want a human-in-the-loop moment, the Trigger Zap button clicked option starts the zap when someone presses a button right inside a table record. Pick the trigger that matches how your process should begin. Next, add an action. What happens after the trigger fires? Create record adds a fresh row to a table. Update record modifies an existing row automatically. Great for status changes or enriching data. Calculate summary. Formula lets Zapier crunch numbers or roll up fields for you. And Continue Zap button. Clicked pauses the workflow until you or a teammate clicks a button to proceed. For example, when a new survey response is added to a table, you could send a Slack notification or append a row to Google Sheets for reporting. From there, connect other apps to expand the workflow. Zapier Tables works with tools like Slack, Google Sheets, Gmail, Notion, OpenAI, and many more. You can chain them together in paths like Google Forms to Zapier Tables to Slack, a chatbot to Zapier Tables to Gmail, or AI by Zapier to Zapier Tables to Notion. When linking apps, map your fields carefully so data lands where you expect. Before you go live, test the Zap to confirm the trigger pulls in the right sample and each action behaves correctly. When everything looks good, turn the Zap on. Now your workflow runs automatically whenever the trigger event happens. In real life, a new record enters your table, say a survey response. Zapier triggers the workflow, the action runs, and your team gets updates or data stored without manual work. To recap, Zapier Tables is a no-code database for automation. A trigger starts your workflow. An action completes the next step. And with thousands of app connections, you can automate emails, notifications, data entry, tasks, and more.